شكرا سعادة السفير. Your Excellency Dr. Hanif Al-Qasim, Chairman of the Geneva Center's Board of Management, Your Excellency Ambassador Youssef Bouchiri, Permanent Representative of the Kingdom of Bahrain to the United Nations Office in Geneva, Ambassador Idris Al-Jazairi, Executive Director of the Geneva Center for Human Rights Advancement and Global Dialogue, moderator of today's discussion, distinguished experts and panelists, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I would like to commend the Geneva Center for Human Rights Advancement and Global Dialogue for the initiative of organizing this important event on the role of equal citizenship rights in education. The UNESCO Geneva office is pleased to support this welcome initiative. The UNESCO 1960 Convention Against Discrimination in Education, which affirms the fundamental principle of equality of opportunities, is the first legally binding international instrument that lays down the core elements of the fundamental right to education. In times of fragmentation, equal access to education can open vital spaces for inclusion, reconciliation, and dialogue involving all young people from all sectors of society, laying the foundations for mutual understanding and lasting peace. In societies experiencing profound transformation, social divisions, crisis, and conflict, ensuring universal and equal access to education is an urgent priority, but it's not enough. All around the world, young people today require quality education capable of equipping them to deal with the challenges of the 21st century, and nowhere is this of greater resonance than in societies experiencing intercommunal and civil strife. Human rights and citizenship education has an important role to play in this respect. Quality education grounded in human rights and citizenship means that rights are implemented and promoted throughout the whole education system and in all learning environments for all girls and boys. We need to empower young women and men to become active citizens in facing and resolving global challenges and contributing to a more peaceful, tolerant, inclusive, and secure world. This requires helping learners develop critical thinking, empathy, and respect for diversity. This requires providing young people with a positive sense of identity and belonging, and to foster mutual understanding and respect among youth, including through interfaith and intercultural dialogue. This is the spirit that drives UNESCO's action on global citizenship education and human rights education, enshrined within the Global Education 2030 Agenda, the roadmap for which is the Education 2030 Framework for Action led by UNESCO. I look forward to learning from you, to learning from the case studies and good practices during today's session, which will provide valuable insights for us all as we continue to work together to achieve peaceful, just, and inclusive development through education. Thank you.